everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn subnetting and its methods. So let's get started. Okay, yeah. So what is subnetting? Subnetting divides a network into smaller subnet. It improves addresses, allocation, security, and performance. Subnetting uses subnet mask or CIDR notation, separate the network and host portion of an IP address. For example, if you are developing any small network, okay, and you have 10 PCs, but you have large number of IP addresses with you. Okay, so remaining IP address will be going to waste or unutilized. To maintain or to design this design the network that way that your IP address should not get waste or unutilized, or it has to be secure. Okay, and all the IP addresses which are needs to be secure, for that we are using subnetting mask. Okay, and this is a there are different types of the giving subnetting notations or the subnet mask. So we will learn in upcoming videos or presentation. Okay, so why use subnetting masks? So we have, in the first slide we have saw that, okay, why subnetting is important, and now why subnetting is important, how do we do that? Okay, but let's exactly how, why it is very useful. Okay, to efficient IP address utilization, reduces network congestion by limiting broadcast domain, improves network performance and management, enhance security through segmentation. Okay, in the previous slide also I told you that if we need only 10 PCs IP address, so other IP address should not go waste or the unutilized. For that this subnetting mask is used. So exactly, and it also reduce the congestion and limiting broadcast. Suppose if I want to transfer the data from one host to the 10 PCs, so that should only go these PC, not the other PCs. So that's why this subnetting is very important, and it also enhance the performance and management. Okay, next, IPv4 address structure. So as we are using IPv4 addressing, so how it works? IPv4 address 32-bit number, that is, for example, 192.168.10.25 divide into 4 octet, and in the IP address there are two parts: network ID and host ID. Okay, so defined by using subnet marks. For example, see, in this is IP 192.168.10.25. so for this the subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. Okay, the last bit, that is host ID or 0, is it will be get assigned the number of PCs which are available. Okay, so that is, this part is called as host ID, and these two parts are network ID. Okay, so let's go for next. Subnet mask and CIDR. Subnet mask defines network versus host bit. 255.255.255.0 CIDR notation is /25. Slash 24. Why 24? Because see, 8 8 8. So addition of 8 bits are nothing but the 24. So that is, the notation is /24, represents the number of network bits. More bits of the network, fewer host the subnet. If network bits are more, then host name should be lesser. For example, /26. So 255.255.192 and 64 IP per subnet. Okay, so this 192 is nothing. Suppose 192 is last bit, so /26 means whatever remaining host name is there, so it should be get added into this subnet. So that's why 26 instead of 24. Okay, and let's see next. Okay, so this is a fixed length subnet masking, that, okay, suppose in the assigning subnet or give subnet, there are different types. So the first one is fixed length subnet masking. For example, in the first case also I have explained that if it requires 10 PC, so other has to be secured or keep it in the safe place, or what I can say, unutilized. So that is nothing but the one kind of fixed length subnet masking. All subnet have equal number of hosts, okay, each to be calculate and implement, used in simple and static network. Example, 192.168.1.0/24 split into 4 deck/26 subnets. Okay, this is nothing but the your CIDR notation, and the subnets will be 26. Okay. Okay, now let's in the other information or other methods we will learn in the next slides. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.